Hello, my little woolies. Today you will learn to knit the dot stitch, a cute 4-row repeat pattern that doesn't curl. It's ideal for beginners since the only techniques required are knits and purls. No increases nor decreases needed. The dot stitch pattern is similar but even easier than the sun stitch we learned some time ago. It has a delicate texture to it, and it's perfect for knitting baby clothes and accessories, blankets, and women's sweaters or cardigans. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 3. For example, 4 times 3, 12, plus 3, 15 stitches. First row, right side of the work. We start with knit 1, and now comes the repeat, what you will find between asterisks on the written instructions. Remember, you have all the patterns and pictures on my website, sewwoolly.net. There is a link for you below this video on the description box. So, the repeat is purl 1, knit 3. This is it. Let's do it again. Purl 1, knit 3. Once more. Purl 1, knit 3. If you have more stitches, keep repeating until there are only 2 stitches left, and end the row with purl 1, knit 1. But only on this first row, I like to knit the last one through the back loop, so we don't get a huge stitch there. Second row, purl every stitch. Third row, the repeat is knit 3, purl 1, and repeat. Knit 3, purl 1. Once more, knit 3, purl 1. If you have more stitches, keep repeating until there are only 3 stitches left, and end the row with knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and last row, as per row 2, purl across. It means purl every stitch. These 4 rows create the pattern. Repeat them until the desired length is reached. When finished, bind off purlwise after a row 1 or 3. That's it for today, my little woolies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the little bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Happy knitting!